Welcome to Aesthetic Physique Academy. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that can help you build strength and enhance overall fitness. They primarily target the upper body muscles, including the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core. Mastering push-ups requires understanding the correct form, engaging the right muscles, and gradually increasing difficulty. This comprehensive guide provides step-by-step instructions and valuable tips to help you achieve perfect push-ups. Understanding the push-up. Push-ups are a bodyweight exercise that involve lowering and raising your body using your arms. They are versatile and can be modified to suit different fitness levels. Despite their simplicity, performing them correctly requires focus on form, breathing, and muscle engagement. Here's how you can master this classic exercise. Setting up for success. Start by finding a comfortable surface. A yoga mat or exercise mat provides cushioning for your hands and knees. If you're doing push-ups on a hard surface like a gym floor, a mat will also help protect your joints. Begin by positioning your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your fingers should be spread out to provide a stable base. Place your feet together or slightly apart, depending on your comfort level. Ensure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Perfecting your form. Align your body. A key element of a perfect push-up is maintaining a straight body line. Your head, back, and hips should all be aligned. Avoid arching your back or letting your hips sag, as this can lead to discomfort or injury. Engage your core muscles to keep your body stable throughout the movement. Hand placement. Your hands should be positioned directly under your shoulders. This placement helps distribute the weight evenly and reduces strain on your shoulders. Ensure your elbows are not flaring out too much. Instead, they should be at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Foot positioning. Your feet should be together or slightly apart, depending on your balance and comfort. Keeping your feet close together challenges your stability and engages your core more. However, if you're a beginner, slightly spreading your feet can provide extra balance. Executing the push-up. Lowering phase. Begin by bending your elbows and lowering your body towards the floor. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle relative to your torso. Lower yourself in a controlled manner, aiming to bring your chest as close to the ground as possible without touching it. Your gaze should be slightly ahead of you, not directly down. Push-up phase. Push through your palms to raise your body back to the starting position. Straighten your arms while keeping your core engaged. Ensure that your body remains in a straight line and avoid locking your elbows at the top. This can cause unnecessary stress on your joints. Breathing techniques. Breathing properly is essential for maintaining energy and optimizing performance. Inhale as you lower yourself towards the floor and exhale as you push yourself back up. This breathing pattern helps you maintain a steady rhythm and prevents you from holding your breath, which can lead to premature fatigue. Common mistakes to avoid. Sagging hips. Allowing your hips to sag can put undue stress on your lower back and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Elbows flare out. When your elbows flare out too much, it places additional strain on your shoulders and reduces the effectiveness of the push-up. Aim to keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Incomplete range of motion. Lowering only partway and not reaching full extension at the top of the push-up limits the exercise's benefits. Aim to lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground and push up fully until your arms are straight. Rushing the movement. Performing push-ups too quickly can lead to poor form and reduced effectiveness. Focus on a slow and controlled movement to ensure you're engaging the right muscles and maintaining proper technique. Progressing with push-ups. Start with modified push-ups. If standard push-ups are too challenging initially, start with modified versions. Wall push-ups and knee push-ups are excellent starting points. Wall push-ups involve standing facing a wall and pushing against it, while knee push-ups are performed with your knees on the ground. Increase reps gradually. Begin with a manageable number of push-ups, such as 8 to 10. Gradually increase the number as your strength improves. It's more beneficial to perform fewer push-ups with correct form than to do more with poor technique. Incorporate variations. As you build strength, incorporate variations to challenge your muscles and avoid plateaus. Some popular push-up variations include: place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench. This modification reduces the amount of body weight you lift and targets the lower chest. Place your feet on an elevated surface. This increases the difficulty and emphasizes the upper chest and shoulders. Bring your hands closer together under your chest to form a diamond shape. This variation focuses more on the triceps. Position your hands wider than shoulder width to target the chest muscles more intensely. Include push-ups in your routine. Integrate push-ups into your regular workout routine to build and maintain strength. Aim to perform push-ups 2 to 3 times a week, allowing time for rest and recovery between sessions. Rest and recovery. Proper rest is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Allow at least 48 hours between push-up workouts to give your muscles time to recover. Incorporate stretching and mobility exercises to enhance flexibility and prevent injuries. Listening to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to push-ups. If you experience pain, especially in your shoulders or wrists, it may indicate poor form or an underlying issue. Adjust your technique or consult a fitness professional if needed. Setting goals. Setting specific goals can help keep you motivated and track your progress. Whether your goal is to perform a certain number of push-ups or master a challenging variation, having a target can drive you to improve. Celebrate your achievements and set new goals as you advance. Incorporating push-ups into a balanced workout. Push-ups should be part of a balanced workout routine that includes exercises for all major muscle groups. Combine push-ups with other strength training exercises like squats, lunges, and rows to ensure a well-rounded fitness program. Additionally, include cardiovascular activities like running or cycling for overall fitness. Maintaining motivation. Staying motivated can be challenging, but there are several strategies to help you stay on track. Tracking your progress, setting short-term goals, and varying your push-up routine can keep your workouts engaging. Consider joining a fitness group or finding a workout buddy to stay motivated and accountable. In conclusion, mastering push-ups takes practice and dedication. By focusing on proper form, engaging the right muscles, and gradually increasing the difficulty, you can achieve perfect push-ups and enjoy the benefits of this effective exercise. With time and effort, push-ups will become a valuable part of your fitness routine, helping you build strength and improve overall health. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks.